Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to turn on or off adapt sound on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First, go to settings. Now scroll down and you'll find sounds and vibration. From here, you just need to scroll down and here you'll find sound quality and effects, and from here you'll find adapt sound option at the bottom. You can just simply tap on this. It is just turned off for now. If you want to turn it on, so you just need to tap on this toggle button and it will turn on quickly on your device. Now if you tap on it here, then you can find some options like you can set adapt option for under 30 years old and for 30 to 60 years old and over 60-year-olds. So here for 30 years olds, boost high frequencies, and a boost will be high frequencies, and as 30 to 60 years olds will get boost high or mid frequency, and over 60 years old boost all frequencies. It will boost all frequencies. Now you can just add some personalized sounds profile by starting a hearing test. After that it will just if you tap on it, now you just need to enter a headphone on your device, connect a headphone from here, then adapt sounds for all this media and calls, or you can set for only media and only for calls, and it will just get the hearing profile, the hearing test by headphone, and after that it will take you can just create a profile according to your needs. And that's how you can just simply turn on this adapt sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And if you want to turn it off, then you just need to simply tap on this toggle button for once and it will quickly turn off on your device. So that's how you can turn on or off adapt sound on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching. Till next time.